plastic
lid
from that. And now I have my tiny hex bug. My dogs are trying to eat it. It fell off the counter over there. Cody came up and he's like, "Is that a bug?"
Yeah, they probably want to eat it.
And I picked it up. It went under the stove, but it came back out after it hit the wall. And now we're gonna see if this moves, why it's in there. So let's go.
Okay. I think it's funny watching Cody. Cody's watching. Just set it down. Set it down on the table. Yeah, it's moving. Cody, what is that?
It's moving this a little bit.
Cody, you want to see it? He's like, I'm not sure what you're talking about. Opie, what is it?
Well, let's see
Opie,
if it
go
can
see.
go upside down.
Probably can. It doesn't hold upside down.
Bashing into the
What do you think, Opie? Opie's like, it's doing something. Can you get it, Opie?
Opie, get it. Get it.
He's like, I'll use my paws. He'll knock it down. Better let him sniff it. Don't let him bite it though, because he will eat it.
Here is a spider hex bug controller. It seems small, but this thing is crazy.
Yeah, show him your Hex Bug.
Our dogs literally are freaked out by this thing.
We'll sit down and call Opie, see if he'll come see it. Come
that?
here, Opie.
Come here.
Opie.
What? I'm gonna put it on like 2.
No, you can't. Leave it on 1. I think I have to switch both of them to 2 if you do it to 2.
And go. Look at the dogs.
Opie, what do you think of that?
What is your big dog's reaction?
Opie's hiding behind you. Cody, what do you think of that? Do you care about the bug? He's like, eh. You don't care about the bugs, do you, Cody? He's like, well, maybe. Oh, now you're scaring him. Now Cody's like, what are you doing, Zach?
Thank you.
Here, let's take a look and see what Seth thinks. Where'd Seth go? Oh, Seth, he's hiding under the table.
That's hiding. Okay, let's see what.
All right, Seth.
Seth is like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
He just leaves. Seth's like, I'm not sticking over no spiders. Cody's just sniffing you. Cody's like, what's wrong? Why are you making those funny noises? What do you think, Opie? Okay, why don't you bring it out here?
Okay, this is what Seth was like. He was like under the table like this. Then once he sees the bug coming at him,
And then he just leaves. Hey, careful.
he like runs.
The dogs are like, yeah, we're done with that.
A little bit faster.
No, the 1 and the 2 are the frequencies, so you can sync it up with whatever controller you have. So you can have more than 1 bug running at a time. You can like 2 of them on 2 frequencies. Cody's like, somebody just pet me. Hey, don't growl at him. Buddy pets. Buddy pets. Opie's like, I'm done with that thing. You done with it? Oh! You okay, Cody? Did it scare you? Don't get so close to him, okay? Cody's like, please pet me. Tell me it's okay. It's okay, Cody. It's okay, buddy. Hey, don't scare him on purpose. I just wanted him to see it.
I want to see what it's like when it's under the table.
Hi, Cody.
Spider is gonna get the bug.
Well, Opie's trying to get the bug. Can you get it, Opie? Can you get that bug out of there? He's like, I don't think I want to. Here, watch out. Opie wants to try and get it. Did you? Oh, he's like, oh, the spider started. He doesn't want it anymore. Okay, don't run the spider at Opie. Opie wants to get the other bug, but the spider's in the way. Here, let Opie try. Let Opie try. Stop the spider for a minute. Go ahead, Opie. Go ahead, Opie. Zach, don't. You're scaring me.
I'm walking away.
Cody's like, maybe I'll get it. What do you think, Cody? Oh, yeah. Okay.